This stock just exploded nearly 300% today, and I'm gonna teach you step by step how I caught it at the very bottom this morning out of market open. This is my Christmas present to you, so give yourself like 60 seconds to watch, and I promise you'll wanna thank me later. Now that stock this morning was HXHX, and it was a big Chinese gapper this morning in pre-market. This thing looked crazy. Now, like always, whenever you have these big gappers in pre-market, the first step is always the same. Check that daily time frame. See, the reason why we have to look back to the left and check the daily time frame is to identify our areas of range to the upside and overall trend of the stock. If this doesn't look good, nothing else matters. I look back at these past areas of support and resistance to identify my future range to the upside, and what I find here is we have 50, 75, and 90 cents a share to these past highs and lows on the daily chart. From there, I work my way down to the 5-minute time frame and see how this is setting up into market open. Well, what I identify here is we have the pre-market high sitting right here around 66 cents, and we have this downtrend going into market open. Now, we're also sitting here testing off this 50-cent level, which is a good thing because if price breaks back above, then we know we have range here to 66, 75, and 90 a share to the upside. And as you know, with my momentum strategy, the 90 EMA has to be above the 20 EMA, and price has to be over VWAP. So in this case, I have to look for a break of this tightening wedge right here at market open, which we got. So right out of market open, this gets breaking out, and what do? I take that first pullback. So I actually snagged the first pullback here on the break of VWAP. And so after that first entry here, of course, my stop loss goes underneath VWAP there to see if we can get that continuation higher, which we did. And I'm just again trimming up in the profits until the bigger setup here comes along. Check this out. Now, what I noticed here is price was just consolidating over VWAP, and I knew we still had range to the upside to 66, 75, and 90 a share. So as price continues to sit here above VWAP, it pulls back to retest VWAP, and look what it does right here. It finds a buyer. Look at this. It pulls back, big wick off of VWAP signaling, buying pressure off the lows, which you can see I then added back to my position here with a stop loss back at VWAP after the first win. This is now my second win on the trade, where this thing got squeezing up from 58 all the way to like, what, 83 cents a share. Look at this. This thing starts teleporting off the screen. At this point, I'm trimming, and raising my stop loss at the bottom of the 1-minute candle as price continues to just trail higher. Look at this. Then it snaps up again, even higher to 76 cents. My stop loss is now right here at the bottom of the next candle, and it just keeps on freaking going and stuck into a halt. I was at a loss for words. Even now, I have no idea what this even, yeah. So yeah, that's how I caught this whole move today, trading HXHX using a very simple momentum trading strategy that I trade every single morning. Again, it was a pretty awesome day in the live trading stream. If you're not already in here with me every single morning, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial to trade with me in real time every single day, and I will catch you back there tomorrow.